What's up guys and welcome to Satxrn. Today I will show my brand new M4 Mac Mini desk setup for 2025. So let's start. So first I have the IKEA Edifier desktop, and it's a dark brown wood, and I have it for 2 years and it's very good. And underneath I have the Alex drawers from IKEA and 2 Adil's legs from IKEA. Next is the main power and machine that powers my setup, which is the M4 Mac Mini with the specs of M4 base chip, 24 gigs of RAM and 512 SSD. And I replaced my gaming PC with the new Mac Mini, and I plan to keep it for years to come. And it's a beast, it's very good, and I'm very happy with this machine. Then as for my monitor, I recently upgraded and replaced my previous Asus monitor with this brand new LG 27UP 850KW. It's a 4K 60Hz refresh rate monitor in 27-inch, and it's very sharp and bright colors. I'm very happy with this monitor, and it is very good with my Mac Mini setup. Then I have the Logitech Brio 300 webcam. It's a brand new webcam that I got for the USB-C direct connection with my Mac Mini. Then as for the Time Machine, I have the WD Western Digital 4TB HDD, and it has a USB-C 3.2 I think, and it behaves as the time machine for my Mac Mini, and it's very good. Then as for my mouse and keyboard setup, I have the Logitech MX Master 3S for Mac and the Logitech MX Keys Mini for Mac, and both are very good combo, and I'm very happy with it, and they are solid for productivity and daily use case. And underneath I have the SteelSeries QCK Heavy in XXL size, and it's a cloth pad, but it's really good. Then as for my audio setup, let's start with the audio setup. First I have the Beyerdynamic DT 990 Pro in 250 ohm. I have them since 2022, and those are solid headphones. Then I have the Shure MV7 XLR mic, and I am very happy with it. It's a solid mic for a good budget, and I really enjoy it. Then I have the Edifier MR4 speakers, and they are very good budget studio speakers with TRS balance connections, and the sound is very crisp, and they are good value for beginners speakers. And the white color is very clean with my white and black desk setup. And here is the close look for the speakers. Then I have the Yamaha AG06 MK1 audio interface. It's a USB-B based audio interface, and I have it since 2021, and it's very good. And I plug it via a cable meters cable I found on Amazon from USB-B to USB-C for direct connection with my Mac Mini, and it's very good. It's solid for a use case like Zoom calls, OBS, Spotify, YouTube, and web browsing. So the audio is very good, and it runs just fine the 250 ohm headphones too. As for the stands, I have a cheap Amazon FYY headphones clamp for my DT 990 Pro, And also for my PS5 headphones, which are the HyperX Cloud 3 wired headphones, I also have the same stand. And I use the Rode PSA1 for my Shure MV7 mic. And as for storage, I have the Samsung T7 4TB SSD, and I use it for storage and files and also photos. And I also have another copy of this SSD in 2TB if I need another one for backup. And as for other items in the background, I have the Elgato Wave Panels 6-pack in white and another wall art photo. And also I have recently bought an IKEA desk lamp in black. And recently I upgraded my Ethernet connection setup. So I have a switch for Ethernet, and I bought many Ethernet cables in 3 meters for wired Ethernet connections too. And also I plug everything for these 10 plugs power strip, which is connected to the wall with the lightning surge. And this is how the lightning surge looks like. Also I have this IKEA black clock on the wall, and I also did wall mount for the PS5. It's the PS5, Sony PS5 Blu-ray edition from 2020, and it is wall mounted to the wall. And also I'm using my HyperX Cloud 3 wired headphones, which are DOS headphones. And also I recently bought the Sony PS5 DualShock in grey silver, and it looks very clean, and it doesn't catch dust very easily. And also I have some books for productivity, like Feel Good Productivity and Atomic Habits. And also I have some Funko Pops and IKEA plants. I also have the Ethernet power supply and the JBL Charge 6 speaker that I got recently, and you can watch the video that I previously uploaded to YouTube. And I also have the JBL Flip 7 speaker and my brand new iPad Air M3 11 inches, Wi-Fi only, 128 gigs of storage in space gray. And also I have another Funko Pop collection with some IKEA plants and Lego brickades of Star Wars, and it looks very clean. It's also wall mounted with an IKEA stand. And for charging my devices, I'm using another lightning surge with another 10 plugs power strip. It's for charging iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch and more. And so this is the charging station I built here. And the previous one was for powering up the machines like Mac Mini, speakers and monitor and more. And I also have this Samsung Full HD Smart TV, which I plan to upgrade very soon to an LG 4K Smart TV in 60 Hz for using the Apple TV and Sony PS5 connected to it. And I also have the Apple TV 4K from 2017 or 2016, and I also plan to upgrade it to either the 2022 current gen or the upcoming 2025 gen with the iPhone 17 release date in September of 2025. So that's it, guys. This is my brand new refined and upgraded desk setup for 2025. So I have my M4 Mac Mini, and they built a whole brand new ecosystem around it and refined other products. So this is my 2025 desk setup for Mac Mini, and let me know what do you think. about this setup in the comments down below. This is my M4 Mac Mini desk setup, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and peace.